Right, so we have everything connected to the database. We have a table, we have a sequence. Now, the problem that we have is our API, if I reload, still has this static data. And basically, we want to retrieve data coming from our database. So let's go ahead and in this website right here called Mockaroo, we can actually generate some random data. So I'm going to leave the link here that you can follow along. Basically in here, these will be the field names matching our database. So here, so remember ID, email, gender, and name. So let me go back, ID, and then name. I can delete the last name. I also need email and gender. Now let me actually remove the IP as well. And for the name, I'm going to click on it. And then let me search for name. And they have full name in here, full name. And then gender. Let's see, or actually, I think we can customize. So I'm not sure whether the gender will come in male or female, uppercase or not. So let me alter. There we go. So let's just say upper. So basically they give us an example here. So upper and then this. So let me apply. And now I can change the format to SQL in here. And then you can basically have the table name or not. And also you can preview. So let's actually preview first. And the gender seems to be incorrect. So I think, let me just remove this uppercase in here, apply, and let's preview again. And yeah, so the gender fluid, what is this? This is not correct. So let's say gender, and we have basically male, female, and we also have I think was in here. So let's have a look. In our gender we had other. So let me see if I can customize that. Basically it seems that we cannot customize, but for now let's just have this gender here, so male or female. And also let's actually uppercase, so we're going to say upper, and then this, and then apply. And if I preview, you can see that this looks good now. So you can see the SQL as well. And basically all I'm going to do is, so let me just close this because it's showing the first 100 rows. I'm going to close and I'm going to say download. And you can find this file under the description of this video. So there we go. I can open up with Sublime, and in here, so this is Sublime, and this is basically all of that data, right? So let's just Command C, and I'm going to collapse this and then Command V. So I want to copy and paste. And it seems that mock data does not exist. And basically the table name has to be student. This is much better, my bad. So let me download again and then open, and let's go back. And in here, you can see that now it looks good. Insert into student, grab all of those, and then go back to our database. And here, Control L, and then Command V. And you can see that this time it works. And now I can say select, and then count, and then star from, and then student. We have 1,000 people, right? So this is awesome. So now what we want to do is to basically change our application so that we fetch all of these students. As I said, this file will be under the description of this video. So all you got to do is just Command C and Command V inside of the database called Amigos code.